Hi and welcome back to another review. As you can hopefully see, this is our delivery from Joyabuy. So this is the first time we've used Joyabuy, which is an agent shopping site. Basically, you find the items you want, you order them, an agent will then go and find the items for you. They source them, they then take photos of them, and then they confirm to you that you're happy with them. So the whole process took me probably a little bit longer than what you'd expect, and that was because I made a mistake. When I ordered the trainers, I got them all in the wrong size, so I was not very good on the conversion rates, but hopefully now the ones that I've got here are the correct sizes. The parcel itself, so this cost £38 to post out to me. So the items inside are obviously, using the agent shipping and purchasing from China, it's a lot cheaper. So all in all, I probably spent about £100 in here, including the postage, which is absolutely fantastic. I've got 4 or 5 items. I can't remember now what I ordered. But yeah, I know people were interested to know how much the postage was. So £38. It came yesterday. It took about 3 weeks to arrive from the point that I knew it had been posted out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open this box and I'll go through each item with you in an individual video. I'll try and give you what the price was and everything as well. If you are new to Joyabuy, I've got a couple of videos as well which give you some details on how to use the site. It gives you a spreadsheet which has got some of the products on it as well. So what we'll do then, let's get this box open and let's have a look at the items. Okay, so I've now opened the box and I was just going to give you a quick look at how it's been packaged out to me. So when I did the order, a lot of these are actually trainers. They do offer you the option to ship in the trainer boxes, but that came in a lot more. I think it was almost double what I paid. So what I've had done, as you can see, I've had them taken out of the box and they've just put them in some like cellophane, some plastic. So yeah, it made it a lot cheaper for me. This part of the video is going to be in every one that I release, but I thought it was just worthwhile showing you how these items have arrived. Hi and welcome back. So what we're going to do is have a look at another pair of trainers from Joyabuy. We'll have a look at these ones this time. This is the Adidas Sambas. So for those of you who do not know what Joyabuy is, it is an agent buying site. So basically you identify the items you want, you then add them to your basket and submit your order. The agents will then go off and source the products for you. Once they've found them, they'll take photos of them, which is your quality check or quality control, depending on what you want to call it. And you then get to either approve or reject. If you approve, you then pay, and then you pay for your items. They'll then calculate the shipping, and then you only pay what the shipping is. So what we'll do now is we'll unpack these, get them out of the plastic cellophane, and I'll show you each trainer individually. I'm looking forward to look at these ones. Adidas Sambas are a nice classic trainer around here in the UK, so it'd be good to see what these are like. Okay, I've got them out of the packaging now, and we'll look at the left one first. It's got like a velvety texture down the end here. Got the Samba, it's been printed in gold, and the Adidas stripes, which have been embroidered in. Slight wonk on the back there, but to be fair, for the price, I don't think anybody's going to really care about that. The cost of these was £25, including postage. Grip looks absolutely solid. If we look inside, we have the usual bit of tissue and your tongue, Adidas. And in here we have the usual information. These are UK 8. As you know, these will not be for me, these are for somebody else who I work with. I'll put that back in there not to lose it. But these are looking absolutely lovely. Little ding there, but nothing to worry about. So that's, for me, the only part that's off is that little wonk there. but I think once you're wearing these, nobody's going to know at all. Okay, that's the left one. We'll cut back and we'll look at the right. Okay, we're now back and we'll go look at the right one. So I'm going to straight away jump to the back. And that one actually isn't as bad as the left. That one's acceptable actually. Again, you've got the velvet feel at the front there. We've got Samba on this side, I assume. Yes, we do. And you've got a standard Adidas tag just there. That's your tongue on this one. And all the size and information just there. With a QR code and a product code. Not sure whether that will bring you back to these trainers or something different. And that is the printing just there. Adidas, the brand with 3 stripes. It's actually nice when they already lace them up for you. Just makes it so much easier. The grip all looks tidy. I've got to say, for the price, I don't think you can go wrong at all with these actually. They look really, really smart. Yeah, really happy with these ones so far, and I'm sure the guy at work will be as well. A lot cheaper, I'm sure, than if you were to go and buy these from likes of JD Sports or somewhere. Okay, and there we have our next pair of trainers from Joyabuy. Joyabuy, for those of you who don't know, is it's an agent buying site. So basically you find the products you want, the agent's go and buy them on your behalf, they send you some photos and you can then approve, and if you're happy you pay for them. Shipping wise, you only pay for the exact weight of the item, which is really good. I do have a discount code as well, which is MatchUCX. If you use that, you'll get yourself some coupons. I'm not sure exactly what coupons they are at the moment. They do tend to change quite regularly. But for the price, 25 quid, these are an absolute bargain, I think, and they look really smart. The only downside, as I mentioned, is on the left one there, where the back of it is slightly off. But apart from that, I don't think anybody's going to really care. There's a slight mark. I don't know if that's just something in the material. There's probably something there as well. I'm not sure. I'll have a look at that anyway. But yeah, really happy with these. If you have used Joyabuy before, let me know in the comments below. And what did you buy? It'd be interesting to know. If you have enjoyed this content, then please like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If there's any sort of products you'd like me to look at in the future, please do let me know. I'd also be interested to know, somebody did leave a comment before to say that they were waiting on one item to come in stock. I'd be interested to know what items you purchased and what you thought of it. So yeah, once they've arrived, please do leave a comment on one of these videos and let me know. Yeah, it'd be good to know who else has used Joyabuy. All in all, I'm really happy, and compared to some of the other trainers that we get, the price of these ones is absolutely amazing. So I'll definitely be looking at more in the future. And to be fair, I do have another pair of Adidas trainers that I purchased off there. This time they'll be for me, so we'll do those in a few weeks. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this one. Thanks very much for watching. I'll just give you a final look at these Adidas Sambas from Joyabuy, which are absolutely outstanding. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.